what's up? So let's just make this the intro. So hello, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs and we are on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we make sourdough, we make recipes, we do a lot of fun things. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you don't want to subscribe, that's okay too. Thanks for being here. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hi, love you. Anyways, so let's talk about it. Let's just talk about this video. I had this image of it being like a fun day where we get our new pizza oven out for the first time and we make pizza and it's all fun and beautiful and all the things. But reality happened and you will see that. So we got our pizza oven out yesterday. And the first thing you have to do is like season it for 30 minutes and then you have to like let it cool and clean it out and then you can do whatever you want. You can make pizzas. So we had it out, we set it up, we got it up to like 700 degrees and then we were under a tornado warning and it started dumping rain. The sirens went off. Thankfully we did not get hail here, but a couple miles south of us got a lot of hail and wind. And so we did not end up making pizza until like 7:30 last night, and it wasn't ideal. Like we had to bring it off of the table and we had to put it under the patio and we were making pizzas like on the ground, like crouching down on the ground. And I did not want to film all of that because it honestly, like it was still raining while we were making pizzas and I was like, we just need to make these pizzas and eat dinner and I can make the pizza video tomorrow, which is today. So it is today, it is the next day, and we are gonna have some friends over this evening for dinner. It is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day, everybody. But we are gonna have some friends over to make pizza. And I will take some clips of that. I'll show, obviously you guys will see what I filmed yesterday. You'll see this, the rain and the tornado sirens and the stuff, but I will take some more like happy making pizzas with friends clips today, and then in the future we'll make like a more dedicated pizza video. I'm sure of it. This is like an appliance that I had to cut that because Calvin was licking and being loud. Anyways, I'm sure that we will make a much more dedicated like pizza oven video in the future, and that's kind of what I thought this video was going to be, but reality happens, such is life. This channel is not just all like sunshine and roses and everything is perfect. So if you're into that, if that's how your life is, come along with us. So with that being said, I need to go start editing this video so I can like have half of it done so I can upload more clips tonight and finish editing it and putting it out tomorrow and all the things. But I got pizza dough going in the background. I need to finish that. We need to finish cleaning. So I'm gonna stop blabbing because this clip is probably like 5 minutes long now, and yeah, that's what I do. So I will see you guys when I see you. Come watch us make some pizzas and stuff. Bye. Hello. What's up, everybody? We are not in the kitchen. We are in, what, is that the stone?
Yeah.
It's fine.
I know, but it's just like...
We are in the garage because we made a purchase of the Ooni. And we have to put it together.
I feel like we need to eventually buy, like keep the box for now or something, because these, I don't know what the, I don't want to break these. Obviously these are like kind of...
The pizza stones?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we are going to put this together. Attempt to put it together over here on this little table. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how this goes. I probably won't film us putting it together because No one needs to see that. Supposedly it doesn't take very long. Welcome to our garage also.
It's a mess.
It is a mess. We gotta clean it up. Anyway, I'm gonna go help Jonathan and I'll be back. Alright, so it took us like maybe 10 minutes to put it all together. We did get the Ooni Karu 16 because it was on sale for Memorial Day weekend. So we got it on sale. We got it's like the multi-fuel pizza oven, so it can do charcoal, wood, or propane gas, but you do have to buy the propane gas like kit separately, which we did not buy. So we do have the wood and the charcoal, and I'm gonna set it up for the first time so we can make some pizzas and hope it doesn't rain. We like pictured doing this on a nice sunny day, but here we are. So I'm just gonna set it up. You can watch. So it's literally thundering. Well, you're supposed to be able to set that there, but it's fine. Let me put the wood on it and start it. Hang on. Okay, so we just set this up. Looks all great, beautiful. We're under a tornado watch.
I think it's just that.
Hang on. And we can't move this. Sap. So, you know, everything is fine. Everything is fine. And the airplanes are like, it's gonna storm, let's get out of here. Hopefully it's okay if it gets rained on. We'll update you. Y'all, we have failed at like showing the pizzas because we've been really busy making all the pizzas.
And it rained yesterday.
It rained yesterday, yes, which you all saw, and it rained earlier when everyone got here. But we still have 3 more pizzas to make. I'll show Jonathan like launching it in.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make this one with pepperoni and mozzarella and some stuff. So yeah, do you want to put the cheese on it? You have to like break up the cheese. You know what I mean? Like tear it up.
Yeah. Like this?
Yep. I promise we will make a better video on pizza making. This one was just a little bit of a fail. How many pizzas have we made so far? 4, 5, 5 or 6 so far in one night. It's pretty good. I highly recommend the uni.
Is that enough cheese? Or use our
Put one, a little piece right there. Yeah. Do you recommend the uni?
Yeah. More than the Blackstone.
Yeah, we have a Blackstone and we kind of want to get rid of it. Should we put jalapeno on it or no?
Yeah.
Or should we put red pepper?
Put jalapeno on it.
Okay.
Is that enough? Or one more pepper in?
Oh.
Well, I don't know.
I'm not an expert.
That's like
I'm
enough.
doing a really bad job of like filming this, but that's okay.
I feel like that's covering it. I feel like it's covering it. Adds more.
Honey, that's plenty. Jesus Christmas.
Yeah, it'd be really like pepperoni.
That's all the jalapeno we have. That's gross. I was just like filming the candle over there. That's what it looks like. John's gonna go launch it.